Hello and welcome back. Today we will continue to talk about conversation analysis. In particular, we will focus on repair. First of all, we should define it. Repair in conversation analysis refers to the processes by which speakers correct, revise, or clarify something they have said or something that has been said by another participant in the conversation. Why is it important? In general, we can say that repair is a fundamental aspect of communication, as it helps to ensure mutual understanding and smooth interaction between the speakers. In addition, it reveals various interactional dynamics. First of all, repair reveals communication strategies. In fact, by studying repair sequences, conversation analysts gain insight into the strategies a speaker used to manage and resolve communication breakdowns. This includes understanding how speakers deal with misunderstanding, errors, and ambiguities in real-time interactions. Secondly, it reflects the collaborative nature of communication. Repair, in fact, demonstrates the collaborative nature of conversation where speakers work together to achieve mutual understanding. It highlights the dynamics and interactive nature of communication as participants negotiate meaning and clarify information as needed. Moreover, it indicates norms and practices. Patterns of repair reveal the norms and practices governing communication within a particular community or culture. Different speech communities, for example, may have distinct repair strategies or preferences, reflecting their shared understanding of how communication should proceed. Furthermore, repair shed light on language processing. Repair processes provide valuable insight into how language is processed in real time. They offer clues about speakers monitor their own speech production, detect errors, and initiate corrective actions, therefore contributing to our understanding of language production and comprehension mechanisms. Finally, it aids in understanding social interaction as it helps researchers to understand social interactional dynamics, including how speakers negotiate conversational roles, manage conversational flow, and demonstrate activeness to each other's contribution. In fact, repair sequences can also reveal underlying social relationship, power dynamics, and cultural norms shaping interactions. A conversation analysis perspective divides repair into three types. The first one is what we define self-repair. This is when a speaker notices an error or an ambiguity in their own utterance and takes steps to correct or clarify it. Here, an example of self-repair. In this case, we can see the words and I mean to signal that the speaker is repairing his or her own mistakes. Moreover, here we can see that the repair takes place in the same turn, so there's not time for the interlocutor to intervene. The second kind of repair is what we define self-initiated repair. This is when a speaker anticipates a potential confusion or misunderstanding and actively revises and re-elaborates their own utterance without external prompting. For instance, in this example, we can see speaker A pausing and adding the word oranges to provide further clarification about the item they need to pick up, anticipating a potential ambiguity in their own utterance. The last type of repair, it's called other-initiated repair. This is when a participant in the conversation detects a problem with what another speaker has said and requests for clarification or correction. This can take the form of explicit request for repetition, for example, what did you say? Or clarification, for instance, saying, what do you mean by saying this? Or also implicit signals, for example, a puzzled look or an hesitation. Here we have an example. Speaker A hesitates and struggles to recall the location before Speaker B offers a suggestion. Speaker A then confirms the correction and indicates that concert was actually the intended word. To conclude, people study repair in conversation to understand how speakers manage communication breakdowns. According to the context and to the speakers, repair can reveal important insights into interactional dynamics, social norms, and cognitive processes. Thank you very much for having watched this video. Stay tuned for more.